Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the gentleman from Georgia for yielding to me, and I rise to address an issue that's within the underlying bill and express my gratitude and support for the efforts on the part of the subcommittee chair, Congressman Betty McCollum. In particular, we have a situation in Sioux City, Iowa, and in that Siouxland area. Much of that Native American population there is Winnebago, and of course they've had their problems, Madam Speaker. And one of those problems is drug and alcohol abuse and addiction. And some of the resources that have traditionally been delivered through the Indian Health Services have been suspended over the last years. And without the note, I'm going to say it's 7 or 8 years, something like that, given the meetings that I've been to. And so we ask that language be included in the report language in the underlying bill that's directed by this rule. And of course, that report language includes $81 million altogether for the urban Indian health, $29,685,000 above the enacted level. So there's an improvement in that, and then there's money there also, $1,429,000 for current services, et cetera. But the foundational language that I appreciate being in here so much is that says, quote, the committee recognizes nonprofit organizations such as the Siouxland Human Investment Partnership that help American Indians in urban areas outside of the Urban Indian Health Program, and encourages the service to offer technical assistance to such organizations whenever possible and within service authority, close quote. I very much appreciate that language. There's additional language that sets aside. It says that the Interior Appropriations Bill includes $2 million available for 11 grants or contracts with public or private institution services to provide alcohol or drug treatment services to Indians, including alcohol detoxification services. We are in the process of building what we're calling Hope Street, which is going to be a location that allows them to go directly to that facility for that kind of help. And can I ask an additional 30 seconds,
You have an
please?
additional 30 seconds.
Gentleman's recognized.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the gentleman because I wanted to conclude with this, that the lead on this effort has been Mr. Frank Lemire. He has been a statesman for the Winnebagos for years and also for Native Americans in a broader sense, especially in the upper Midwest. He tragically passed away 2 days ago. His funeral is today. He worked on these projects for a lifetime, and it's very fitting that we take action on one of his initiatives here in this Congress today, and I'm hopeful that we'll be able to take up H.R. 184, which also transfers the land back to the Winnebagos that they should so rightfully have. So I thank you, Madam Speaker, and I yield back the balance of my time.
The gentleman from Georgia reserves his time. The gentleman from Massachusetts is recognized.
Madam Speaker, I just